Christian Schmitz is here. We have MonkeyBread questions. Margaret, do you want to jump in here and ask some questions?
Yes, we have a more simple question. Please help. Does MBS have a find and replace function? I want to replace a string that occurs more than 200 times in my script. It seems like there is no built-in function to achieve that.
Yeah, sure. Well,
Yeah,
several ways.
sure. Okay, what is that?
The easiest thing would be you have the MBS plugin installed, 15.4. We have this little integration with XML, so you can go and you select all your script lines, and you copy all your script lines. Then you go to whatever text editor you like. You make a new
Is
document.
BB edit still a thing?
Yeah, and you paste it. So you get your XML from FileMaker. This is a thing the plugin does is by making the XML available for your text editor when you leave FileMaker and go to another application. And now here you could do a search and replace and could say, for example, here $shell should be I don't know, my shell. And then you can do the replace all in the XML. Now we select it all and we copy it. We go back to FileMaker, remove all the lines and paste them again. And now it says my shell.
Now back up. What did MonkeyBread do here? Where was it involved?
Well, you know that when you copy something here, FileMaker will put XML in the clipboard.
Okay.
But it will not put it in the normal text section of the clipboard. So it's FileMaker's hidden item on the clipboard, and the plugin will duplicate it into the text section of the clipboard.
So by you going, so let's go through this again. So if you have some code and you're going to copy it, now go up to copy. Now hold right there. When we run copy, MonkeyBread is going to intercept this and
No, we actually do it when you switch to another application.
So when we
switch over,
and right there, MonkeyBread got involved and
same thing happens. So don't I have the clipboard viewer? Yeah, open. So I copy something here in BB edit. The clipboard now contains the XML text, just the text. So I go to FileMaker and reload this, and now you see here is a XML script steps for FileMaker. So the plugin helps you to make sure that the text you copied gets into the format FileMaker needs, so you can paste it in your script workspace.
Back up. So this is blowing my mind.
Because this is so cool, because that means you can do all sorts of crazy stuff with the XML of the script and then just drop it back into FileMaker.
We have that basically in the plugin for 10 years or so. And I just made it available without you doing anything in the last version. So just copy paste and it will just work. And not just for scripts.
Oh, whoa. It was in the plugin, but it was not automatic is what you're saying. Now it's automatic.
Yeah, here we have clipboard functions, get FileMaker data, and since version 4, which is basically 10 years ago.
Okay.
So you could have used one of our sample databases to do the same. So when you go to the layout editor and you say, I love this button, you can also copy the button, go to your text editor and paste it, and you see here the definition for the button.
Yeah.
And now you can do your search and replace on whatever controls you like here the text.
By the way, Margaret, real quick on here, just go up there, highlight the button code. Is that 184 lines for that button? Go back up.
215.
Where's the button at? It's just that it's from 185 to 250. Is that what you said? Where's the button at?
No, the button is all of it.
Okay, so just stop for a second. So when we talk about removing objects from the layout, because it makes FileMaker go faster if it's less, that one button is all this text.
Yes.
That the server had to send down to the client.
Yeah, wait. this CSS probably applies to several buttons.
Could be. If it's shared,
So
if it's shared styles, I get that. But the point is that's a lot of, it's not just a, it's not, it's not like a left and right coordinate and then some text. It's a bunch of others. So
I can search for clear and I can maybe change this to test. So the text is here twice for some reason. And I can copy this back to the clipboard, go to the layout editor and paste it. And there's my button.
Actually, a really good way of seeing how much is actually made into every object. Yeah.
All right, Christian Schmitz, it's 11 o'clock at night, time for bed. Thank you very much. Good job. Seriously, there were several things that we were, is he back? Are you back next week?
Next week.
Okay, cool. All right, everyone. That's it for today. Appreciate it. See ya.